Here are the three questions I ask. If money and opportunities were not in the question, what would you have liked to do? So don't bother about showing it to somebody, just write down in your notebook. The second question, whatever you have done so far in your life, can you find a 0.01% connection between all those that work that you have done? Just 0.01%. Third question is, have you fancied working in some of the companies which are big and you think that you don't deserve to work there? What are those companies? Which are those companies and why? If you can answer these three questions, I'm sure you will see a pattern in the personality that you are, the opportunities that you can get, and the dream that you can still work for. Nobody likes to work in just a single role for the entire life. So, you are not mistaken if you are thinking that this is enough of it and you would like to move on to another role. Yes, of course. But do this exercise and find out who you are.